fair winds and following seas.
Kian, what do you think about love? Is it easy for you?
It's cruel. Very cruel. Love is very hard and a challenging game for me. I know I'm not the only one. Love is a very risky game and a hurtful game. It hurts when you can't have that someone you love, and it also hurts when you two love each other but can't have each other because you're not meant to be. Am I falling? I am. Lods, niligawan kita. Pwede ba?
Are you crazy? Bakit mo naman ako liligawan?
Para may rason na itong mga ginagawa ko. I saw him again after 8 years. Bakit? Parang wala lang sa kanya.
Rain, umuwi ka na. I'm warning you. I know your moves, Rain. Gusto mo ba talaga malaman ng dad mo to, ha?
O hedi sabihin nyo. Kahit naman umuwi ako, sasabihin nyo pa rin naman. Hindi ako uuwi hanggat ayaw ko.
Rain, I love you. Pero hindi mo pa oras.
No, Kian. Ayoko. Dito lang ako.
Rain, you need to.